Good day. This is Rachel Pope showing you how to make a mask for home. If you ain't got no other mask that's manufactured, take your bandana, fold it. I decided to do this at the last minute. Okay, bandana, halfway fold. You need 2 large rubber bands, 2 big safety pins. You fold this like a fan, like that. Back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. Alright. Now, we're going to fold this inside. Put a rubber band within. Fold it like this. Take your safety pin. Put the fabric inside the safety pin and close it. Okay? Spread it out even. Same thing here. Okay? Alright. Same thing. This is doing this without even sewing. Now you're going to open it up. Make sure this stay on the inside of the bandana. And you put it on. And this will be your mask. Right here. It will look like this. Like that. Okay? Same thing. Is you fix it around your face so it fit perfectly. And there you go. I did this for my baby. He red skin thing. So I'm making a couple of these. This was his flag. And he brought it to me. Same thing. Fold it. Wash it. Yeah. Ran out paper towel with it. With this, I staple this. Okay? I double the paper towel. This could be your filter to put inside with that. And that's that. Now, the other one I done is this one here. You know, like the bandage that stretches. This thick one here. I did the same thing. Put it around my ear. You can put the filter one inside there. Fold it down. Bam, there you go. No sewing, just cutting the hole for the ear. That's it. That's it. Use your imagination. Use what you got till you get what you need. And by the way, on my Vita, we have masks. We also have the filters as well. Go to my Vita website, www.shopvita.com/collections/Rachel-B as in Bell-Pope. All small letters. You can order your mask there if you have the funds to buy. If you already have a mask and you want the filter that's already approved, you can do that and put it right inside your cloth. And you good. Alright? Until next time with the DIY, this is the one for you. You know what to do. Share. Hit that bell and hit subscribe. And until next time, we come back with you with another creation by RP. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Be safe out there and be blessed. Stay blessed. Why don't you?